Senator Galvez.
Thank you, Speaker. My question is for the government representative in the Senate. Senator Gold, last October, in the context of worrisome reports on the Canada Pension Plan's investment in fossil fuel corporation in Colorado and Ireland going wrong, I asked the government whether it was acceptable that Canada's largest asset owner kept undermining our international commitments and putting the retirement security of over 20 million Canadians at risk. I have yet to receive an answer to that question. But last week, we heard CPP was at it again. Hydro-Québec secured all necessary permits to supply Massachusetts with renewable hydropower for the next 20 years, a move that, accordingly to the utility, will have the effect of taking 700,000 cars off the road every year. Calpine Corporation, one of the U.S. largest producers of electricity from gas, which stands to lose if the project goes forward, has been funding a hostile opposition and disinformation campaign against a new power line through Maine made necessary by the project. Again, the Canada Pension Plan has an important investment in Calpine and has its own representative on the board, therefore actively participating in opposing decarbonization efforts in Canada and abroad. Senator Gold, what is the government doing to ensure federally regulated financial sector finally addresses climate risk?
Senator Gold.
Well, thank you for your question, Senator. The government remains committed, as I've said in previous answers in this chamber, to working diligently to help the energy sector and Canadians more generally transition to a more sustainable and cleaner energy platform. I don't have the specific answer to your question with regard to the pension, the CPP, but I can assure this chamber that the government takes its responsibilities on the environment and to the environment very, very seriously.
Senator Galvez, you have a supplementary?
Yes. Senator Gold, now close to 2 years after that the expert panel on sustainable finance recommended that the government, and I quote, clarify the scope of fiduciary duty in the context of climate change. I would like to ask when the financial sector will declare its climate risk to its investors and the public.
Senator Gold.
Well, thank you for the question. Increasingly, the corporate sector and financial sector are taking seriously these issues that you raise. I don't have a specific answer to your question. I'll endeavor to find out and report back.